In this video, I will explain why I think that the stock market is not heading back to where it was last week. We are going to take a look at Tesla. We are going to take a look at the stock indices, gold, silver, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So let's start with Tesla. Tesla is down $6.66, 1.53%, closed at 429.24. Post-market, we seem to be down a little bit more. So we are still into our bullish channel. Tesla as a whole is still going higher, but recently we have been going from this resistance side to the support side. And now we are getting closer and closer to that support side. This is the candle that we have today. The candle went a little bit lower than 420.46, which is our support that we are following. And we are getting pretty much right smack on our bullish channel support right here, where we were 2 days ago. So from the lows perspective, we are going higher. From the highs, we are going lower. This is called the symmetrical triangle. And this is going to get resolved very soon because we are getting at the point right here. Within a couple of days, we should have a direction. Is Tesla going to go down or is Tesla really going to go up? If we start breaking that support right here, then this is going to tell us that we are starting to go up. At the same time, we need to break that 420.46 right here. So breaking this support and this support is going to tell us that we are continuing down. We can already start drawing the channel because we have been trending down since the high that we made October 2nd. In terms of indicators, we are starting to see some weakening. So stochastic is below 60 on the 1 hour chart. Each stock needs to have stochastic over 60 to have any believable move up. So this is not what we are having right now. Our reversal indicator has already reversed bearish, but price is king. These indicators are nice, but price is king. If we maintain ourselves above 420.46, I don't care what the indicators say. But once the indicators are showing bearishness and then we are losing support at 420.46, then we are going down. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX, after coming down yesterday, VIX is now climbing back. We are above 20. We don't like it above 20. We are up 1.78 today, 9% up. So uncertainty is still in the market. It started to go down yesterday. Uncertainty started to go down, so things were looking pretty good. But when we were watching the indices, we saw that they had not recovered completely. Stochastic was not over 60. We could not believe any move up yesterday that we saw in some stock indices. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, pretty good day, 0.44%. Stochastic is not over 60. The move back up is not to be believed yet. And if we draw a resistance right here, we can see exactly that. We can see that, yes, we are having a move up for the past 2 days, but we are still trending down. And within a trend, we are always zigzagging. So we should not confuse a zag with a new trend. The trend is down, but we are still zagging up a little bit. The same thing with SPX. The same thing with XPX. Yesterday was a move higher, no stochastic, not to be believed. Today, the move that we have today just confirmed 2 trend lines. 64.49 right here at the bottom and 66.77 at the top. So we touched the 2 lines. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So at the beginning of the day today, we opened lower. We have a gap down from where we were yesterday and went as low as I mentioned as 65.49. Then it went as high as 66.77. Even on the 1 hour chart, we did not have stochastic over 60. When we don't have stochastic over 60, any move up is not to be believed. What did happen? Boom, we came down. It could go higher tomorrow, but today the move was not convincing at all. QQQ, exactly the same thing. Cannot break resistance, no stochastic, nothing to believe yet. Nasdaq, I did not draw that line, but there's a line right there. Same thing, exactly the same pattern. I would not put any money back. This is not financial advice, but nothing is happening. The trend is not back up, except for small caps. Russell, this is going nice. This is on the 1 hour chart. This was a super great day, went super high. and also broke above a previous horizontal resistance that was hard to stay above. So small caps, all good. The rest, be careful. Let's take a look at the heat map of the market. So yes, we have some sectors that are doing pretty good: consumer services, consumer non-durables, finance, communications, commercial services. We still have quite a few green. Let's take a look at gold and silver. So gold continuing higher, 0.8% higher. Silver is stabilizing a little bit after having broken above 17 bucks. We are basically hovering around. Bitcoin, the same thing. We came down to support, a previous support that we were following. Started going higher, no stochastic, boom, came back down. Ethereum, exactly the same thing. Started to go higher, no stochastic, came back down. And even our beloved BMNR, which is an Ethereum treasury, this is not boding. Stochastic is gone. Stochastic over 60 is gone. And we are very close to breaking this bullish channel support. We have closed a little bit below. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, we see it. We have closed a little bit below, but we have done so yesterday also. Let's not conclude that this is all gone yet. This is not looking good, but yesterday it was not looking good and it performed not too bad. So let's at least give it a chance at 52 bucks. BMNR below 52 bucks. Boom, this is gone for now. Yeah, things are not looking super good. If we start breaking 420.46 for Tesla, where is that going to take us? The bearish channel could easily continue down to 372 bucks. At 372, then things are going to be reassessed, because at 372, we used to have a bunch of buyers coming back in. So this is going to be a big test. If we lose 420.46, are we going to find back our buyers that used to come in at this rate? Are they going to come back? Nobody knows, but we are going to be here to watch what happens. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So Tesla starts to bundle FSD Supervised, offering almost $5,000 off price. So Tesla is offering a discount of almost 5,000 bucks on its FSD Supervised software to all eligible cars in Australia and New Zealand, just a month after rolling it out in Australia. Tesla's Australia's inventory page, multiple in-stock cars with FSD Supervised software, a price adjustment of $49.40, helping bring the price of the car with FSD Supervised down by that amount. Tesla shares the offer on its website ribbon by saying, "Enjoy savings on eligible inventory vehicles when purchased with FSD. Interested customers can order by October 31st, 2025 and upgrade to FSD Supervised by November 30th. This offer is available to Model 3 rear-wheel drive, the Y rear-wheel drive, and the Y long-range all-wheel drive. With the launch of FSD Supervised software, Tesla is now offering multiple ways to encourage buyers who purchase an eligible vehicle to try the software. And there's also some news about some production hurdles and market headwinds. There appears to be some reports surfacing earlier today concerning unexpected production bottlenecks at Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin. While specific details remain under wraps, whispers of component shortages, particularly advanced semiconductors and specialized battery cells, have circulated, threatening to impede the ramp-up of its highly anticipated next-generation vehicle production. This is the Model 2. This has directly impacted delivery forecasts for the upcoming quarter, leading to investor apprehension. First time I hear about this, so let's see if we hear more soon. We are close to having a decision. Tesla stock will have to make a decision. The tug of war between the buyers and sellers is going to have to make a decision. Stay tuned. This could be coming as soon as this week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.